How to use CalFresh EBT card. Using a CalFresh EBT, electronic benefits transfer, card is simple and works like a debit card for purchasing approved food items. Here's how to use it effectively. First, activate your card by calling the customer service number and setting up a PIN. You can check your balance via phone, online, or on your purchase receipt. When shopping, select eligible food items such as fruits, vegetables, dairy, and meat, and avoid non-eligible items like alcohol or prepared foods. To pay, swipe your card, enter your PIN, and select the EBT option. For mixed purchases, pay for non-eligible items separately. Keep your PIN private and report lost or stolen cards immediately. Farmers markets and some stores offer additional benefits like doubling EBT dollars for fresh produce. Thanks for watching.